Social Justice Academy 2025 Winter Session.
Well, it's the Social Justice Academy. So we wanted to get our team out here so we can start putting together our plan so we can get back to work when we get home and, represent that social justice because it's really important to us.
I'm just very honored to be in this room and to work with a diverse group of people who have one thing in common, and that's just to really just further what education is all about.
Justice is making sure that the cause of any inequity was addressed, which is what we do with social justice.
What's your superpower?
The superpower that I feel like I identify the most with is empathy.
Evangelizing or motivation, and I kind of am both, but I just like to, speak life into people.
My superpower is harmonizing, really being a good listener so that I can help bring people together and bring ideas together.
I am a provocateur. I will either help complicate our discussion and rationalization of conversations.
SJA Teachers Association.
My superpower was evangelizing. It means I'm a good storyteller.
Columbia Green Community College.
Faculty Association.
I want to take back to my community by motivation and reinvigoration to commit to this work.
I made a lot of connections at the Social Justice Academy, and I feel very supported and heard here. And it's great to see educators come together to do things that need to be done.